Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Before we dive into today's rare coin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss these incredible coin discoveries that could change your collection forever. Today, we're exploring a coin that may seem ordinary at first glance, but collectors around the world know it holds a hidden value that can surprise anyone. The 1 penny coin from 1989. Now, this isn't just any penny. It carries with it a story of history, precision minting, and subtle features that can make it highly sought after in the numismatic community. Let's start with the basics. The 1989 penny was minted during a period of significant economic and cultural change. While pennies are often seen as everyday coins, the 1989 1 penny stands out due to a combination of its minting details, rarity, and condition factors. Coins of this era were primarily struck for circulation, yet some have survived in pristine condition, and these are the ones that collectors keep a close eye on. Now, you might be wondering, what makes a penny from 1989 so interesting? One major factor is the mint mark. Coins minted at different facilities carry subtle variations, and enthusiasts know exactly what to look for. The precise strike, the depth of the design, and even the positioning of the date can influence the coin's value. Some 1989 pennies were produced with exceptionally sharp details, making them stand out from the mass of ordinary coins. Another fascinating aspect is the metal composition. While pennies today are largely made of copper-plated zinc, in 1989, the production had certain characteristics that make these coins durable and, in some cases, uniquely colored or toned over time. Collectors often search for coins with unusual toning, patina, or luster, features that tell a story of the coin's journey over decades. Now let's take a closer look at the design elements. On the front, you'll find the iconic portrait, expertly crafted, capturing the leader of the era in meticulous detail. On the reverse, the traditional motif reflects the heritage of the coin, a design that has been refined over generations to appeal to both casual collectors and serious numismatists alike. But what makes certain 1989 pennies special are the minute imperfections that can occur during minting, slight doubling of numbers, tiny die cracks, or variations in the edge. These subtle characteristics, invisible to most, can make a huge difference in the coin's rarity and value. For collectors over 55 who have watched coins evolve over decades, a 1989 penny is more than just a coin. It's a snapshot of a particular moment in history. It's about the nostalgia, the story, and the hunt. Imagine holding a coin in your hand that was produced over 30 years ago, untouched, and now recognized as valuable in the collector's market. That feeling is priceless. Now, let's talk about the market dynamics. Over the years, interest in coins from the late 20th century has increased dramatically. The 1989 penny, especially in uncirculated condition or with rare minting errors, has seen prices steadily climb. Collectors worldwide are always on the lookout for coins in exceptional condition. Some coins, despite appearing ordinary, can sell for hundreds, and in rare cases, over $1,000. What really sets this coin apart is the combination of rarity and condition. You see, millions of pennies were minted in 1989, but only a fraction remain in near-perfect condition today. Coins that have avoided circulation, scratches, and are extremely rare. And when one appears on the market, serious collectors take notice immediately. There's also an educational side to collecting this coin. Many enthusiasts enjoy examining the minting process, understanding the intricacies of coin production, and identifying what makes certain coins exceptional. A single 1989 penny can teach you about die variations, striking techniques, and material composition, all of which add layers of excitement for collectors. For those who may already have a 1989 penny in their collection, this is an excellent opportunity to compare details. Check the sharpness of the design, the clarity of the date, and the edges. Coins with tiny imperfections or unique toning can sometimes be more valuable than a perfectly struck coin from the same year. It's about rarity, desirability, and condition coming together. Let's dive into some real collector insights. Collectors often share stories of stumbling upon a 1989 penny tucked away in a drawer, only to discover its significant value. Imagine buying a roll of pennies from a bank decades ago and later finding that one of them could be worth $1,200 today. That's the magic of coin collecting. Patience and knowledge pay off. And the beauty of this coin is that it appeals to all levels of collectors. Whether you're a beginner just learning about pennies or a seasoned collector looking for rare editions, the 1989 penny has something to offer. Its small size hides a wealth of history and subtle features that make it an engaging piece for any collection. So, how can you identify a valuable 1989 penny? First, look for coins in excellent condition, preferably uncirculated. Second, pay attention to the mint mark and any unique variations in the design. Third, consider the coin's tone and luster. Coins that have developed a natural patina or unusual coloring are often highly prized. For viewers over 55, this coin represents more than money. It's a connection to the past. It reminds us of the era we grew up in, the coins we spent as kids, and the stories each coin can tell. Holding a 1989 penny is like holding a piece of history. Every scratch, every tone, and every detail carries a story. Many collectors are surprised to learn that even a coin that looks ordinary at first glance can be extremely valuable. That's why the 1989 penny is exciting. It challenges our assumptions and rewards those who take a closer look. A single coin can spark conversations, educate younger collectors, and even become the centerpiece of a collection. Now, let's talk about the financial perspective. The 1989 penny has steadily appreciated in value over the years. While it may not seem like much compared to coins from centuries past, for a modern coin, a value of $1,200 is significant. It demonstrates how condition, rarity, and collector interest converge to create remarkable opportunities. If you're serious about collecting, the 1989 penny is worth seeking out. Keep an eye on auctions, coin shows, and trusted collectors. And remember, the key is knowledge. Understanding what makes a coin rare and valuable can turn a simple penny into a highly sought-after collector's item. Finally, let's bring this full circle. You've seen the history, the subtle features, the collector excitement, and the market value. And after all this, I can reveal the ultimate truth about the 1989 one-penny coin. Its value today is an incredible $1,200 for coins in top condition. That's right, what may seem like a simple penny could be a highly rewarding addition to your collection. So, keep searching, keep learning, and never underestimate the value of a coin from your past. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1989 penny, don't forget to subscribe for more rare coin updates, expert insights, and stories from the fascinating world of numismatics. Your next great coin discovery could be just around the corner.